I encourage you to grow a chamomile plant, especially if you like tea. It is one of the simplest things. It grows ravagely and comes back the next year because it will reseed itself in the spot that you planted it and in other areas. You're simply going to grab a bloom that is fully open in the morning. Let them dry out for a long time. The spongy middle is going to take a while to dry out, but you can go ahead, wash them, and make some fresh tea with them immediately as well. I picked a few earlier this morning. They'll start off with let me bring you in close. For instance, this is one that I would probably pick. But these right here, they're still forming their petals, so they would not be ready. You can come out every day and you can find new ones that are ready. It's right here. We have this one ready and this one ready. Go ahead and just pop it off. I have a good amount. We can make some tea. Chamomile can be started from seed pretty easy. There are kits. I used a kit from Walmart, which those plants are not blooming yet. And once you get it started, you will have a plant return because the seeds will just pop around. Spring is a good time to go ahead and pull those. You're pulling chamomile, pulling rhubarb, and asparagus all in the spring. It's a fun spring. Follow for more.